Hey everybody, I'm to go tomorrow here. Just showing off a rifle I picked up, I guess it's been a month now I had it. Traditions 50 cal Flintlock. The double triggers for releasing the pull on the trigger. I think it's called a set trigger. You can cock the flint back and pull one, and it releases the amount of pull on the second, so you have a lighter trigger pull when you go to fire the gun. Or you can just leave it as a heavy pull and pull it, but it's nicer to have the other one here to lessen the number of pounds you need to pull on that trigger. I picked it up, and of course it was advertised as brand new in the box, never been fired, and I looked at the gun, looked like it was in pretty good shape, but I didn't really look at it that closely, and of course I didn't fire it completely. I released the flint down slowly, and when I got home I fired it, and the spring kept coming off, the main spring for that. So I put it back on, tried again, fell off again, and that's when I contacted Traditions and found out that they thought, well, maybe the spring was weak, because it was probably stored in the back position like that, like when I saw it in the box. So I ordered a new spring from them, put it in. I was still having the problems, so I took the action all apart inside, put it all back together, tightened down the screws, put the spring back on, and then it would stay on. So I guess maybe all along it was just that the insides were not tight enough. The tumbler was probably loose. Anyways, this is that's the set, and then you fire. So I took it out today, and I put a couple of blanks in it. I just loaded it up with 60 grains of black powder, and primed it and fired it, and it seems to work nice. I was going to shoot a ball down it, but when I went to put the ball down, the muzzle, the ball seemed to be too tight, so I just wanted to double check and make sure I had the right balls before I go jamming one all the way down. So there'll be another video I'll put up shooting it with a ball in it too. So I'll follow this up with me shooting just the black powder out the barrel. Okay, thank you. Grains of black powder. Patch in there. I'm just going to fire some black powder off first.